how to upload journal entry in Netsuite. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to create an invoice in Netsuite. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Netsuite website on your PC or laptop. After that, log in or sign up to your account and then you'll be redirected to this page. So what you need to do is click on Setup tab located in the top bar. Now click on Import Export, then on Import CSV record. From here, you'll select record type to journal entry and also fill other bar as per requirement. Accordingly, click on Select and upload your CSV file and click Next. Here you have to map the CSV column to the corresponding Netsuite field. Next, enter a name for your import file to save it for future use. After that, click on Save and Run. So that's how you can upload journal entry in Netsuite. That's all for this video.